Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Jeep Liberty and I will show you which fuses to check in case your horn is not working. This video will apply to Jeep Liberties made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Horn fuses will be located in a main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery. It's right here, very easy accessible. Now to lift the cover you will have two black tabs. One here, one here. You want to press each of them and lift up. This yellow piece right here, this is the fuse puller, which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And on the back side of the cover you also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so the fuse number M22, it's a 10 amp red fuse located right here, responsible for power to the right horn. And fuse number M23, it's a 10 amp red fuse located down here, responsible for power to the left horn. So this vehicle has two horns. Now if both of these fuses are good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper. First I would check into the airbag clock spring, as that is the second most often reason why the horn is not working. And then if the clock spring is good, then I would look at the wiring, horns itself, or the switch. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.